In this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step tutorial how to make this drawstring bag. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Cassie from Faodail Creation, and every single Wednesday I create videos on how to use your sewing machine and simple sewing tips and tricks. There really isn't a standard size for a drawstring bag. I will put the dimensions of the one that I'm making in the description box of this video. You will need two pieces of the exact same measurement, like so. We are first going to create the drawstring part of the bag. Now at the top here you could do a simple hem, and I will link a video to how to create a simple hem, or you can get your pinking shears. These are the ones that have the zigzags going across, and you can just cut that top part ever so slightly to stop them seams from fraying. Now I'm just going to fold this fabric back at just over 1/2 inch, and I'm going to press it with the iron so it's lying flat. Then I'm going to repeat it again with my second piece. I'm just going to fold that back. I'm going to grab my ruler, make sure it's the same distance, and I'm going to get my iron and just press that seam flat once again. So now we have our two pieces of fabric, it's time to head over to our sewing machine. So I have my thread all set up and my bobbin all set up too. A 90-14 universal needle will be good for this project. The settings on my machine I've just kept at the regular factory standard settings. So first of all, we are going to create the drawstring part. So we just want to do a stitch at the bottom here in order to create that enclosure. So this is the first part complete right here, and I'm just going to move on to the second part. Here we go, we're all set up and ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is put these two fabrics right side together. And when we say right sides together, we mean the fabric, the pretty side of the fabric together. Now I've changed my sewing machine to put the 1/4 inch foot on. It's up to you how you measure your seam allowances, but I like to use this particular foot. So I'm going to line the little bag up to the 1/4 inch foot guide, and we are going to stop before we come to that drawstring part, because we don't want to close this up, because that's where our drawstring is going to go in and out of. Go back to your iron and press your seams open, because it's just going to have a nicer finish to it when you do that. Now we're going to go to this other side of the bag and we are going to close this side up. Now you can still press this seam open just by manoeuvring it to the center like so, and then just open them seams up and just give it a quick press. Now our last seam is just that bottom part here, so let's just close that right up. Now we are going to open our drawstring bag right sides out. And we're just going to finish off the top here. You can use any sort of ribbon that you want. I would just get a safety pin and just tie it on the end of the ribbon there, and then just thread it through one of the ends of the drawstring bag just so it just helps you guide it through to the end. Like so. With the same ribbon, you are going to then thread through the other end. Come all the way through. Like so. So we are going to cut off this end and we are going to tie it off. In order to create that drawstring effect, you have to do this for a second time. So go in again at one of the ends, go all the way through. And then you're going to go in this side. And once again, you're going to cut off this end. Take off your safety pin and tie it off. So now that you have the two ends of the ribbon, you are now able to create the drawstring effect of this bag, and you can tie it in a bow and it's all complete. So are you going to be creating this drawstring bag? And if so, what are you going to be using it for? If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing my videos next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.